UNSC, is the most powerful organ of the UN, tasked with the primary responsibility of maintaining international peace and security. Unlike other UN bodies that make recommendations, the UNSC has the power to make binding decisions that member states are legally obligated to follow. 1. Origin and establishment. Founded October 24, 1945, following World War II. Charter basis. Established under the UN Charter. Its first session was held on January 17, 1946, in London. Succession. It replaced the League of Nations Council, which had failed to prevent global conflict. 2. Membership structure. The 15 members. The Council is composed of 15 members, divided into two categories. A permanent members, P5. These 5 nations have a permanent seat and hold veto power, the ability to block any substantive resolution. China, France, Russia succeeded the USSR in 1991, United Kingdom. United States B non-permanent members, 10, elected by the General Assembly for 2-year terms. 5 are elected each year. As of March 2026, the current non-permanent members are: term ends 2026. Term ends 2027. Denmark, Bahrain, Greece, Colombia, Pakistan, DR Congo, Panama, Latvia, Somalia, Liberia. 3. Key functions and powers. The UNSC operates under specific chapters of the UN Charter. Chapter 6, Pacific Settlement, recommends procedures or terms of settlement for disputes. Chapter 7, Enforcement, can authorize sanctions, or even military action, to restore peace. Peacekeeping, authorizes the deployment of blue helmets, UN peacekeepers. Admission and appointments, recommends new UN members and the appointment of the Secretary General to the General Assembly. 4. How it functions, rules and procedures. The Presidency rotates monthly among the 15 members in English alphabetical order. In March 2026, the Presidency is held by the United States. Voting system, * each member has 1 vote. Procedural matters, require 9 inches yes votes. Substantive matters, require 9 inches yes votes, including the concurring votes, or abstentions, of all P5 members. The veto. If any P5 member votes no on a substantive matter, the resolution fails. 5. Important facts for competitive exams. 2026 update. India's status. India has served as a non-permanent member 8 times, most recently 2021-22. It is a leading seeker of a permanent seat. G4 nations, a group of 4 countries, India, Brazil, Germany, and Japan, who support each other's bids for permanent seats. L.69 grouping, a cross-regional group of 42 developing countries, including India, pushing for urgent UNSC reform. Uniting for Consensus, Coffee Club, a group, including Pakistan and Italy, that opposes the expansion of permanent seats, favoring more non-permanent seats instead. Historic event, March 2026, for the first time in UN history, a sitting spouse of a world leader, US. First Lady Melania Trump, presided over a formal UNSC meeting on children and education in conflict, on behalf of the US presidency. Interrelated fact, the veto initiative. In 2022, the General Assembly adopted a resolution, the veto initiative, requiring that every time a veto is cast in the Security Council, a meeting of the General Assembly must be held within 10 days to debate the use of that veto. This was designed to increase the political cost of using the veto.